The iQOO Z11x 5G is shaping up to be an exciting mid-range smartphone from iQOO, designed for users who want strong performance and long battery life. This device focuses on delivering reliable speed, a smooth display, and modern 5G connectivity at an affordable price. Welcome to my technological world. Hit the like button, click the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. Now introducing new upcoming iQOO Z11x. Let's have a look. The iQOO Z11x 5G is expected to offer a balanced combination of performance, battery power, and everyday usability. The phone will likely feature a modern design with a large display and slim bezels, giving it a premium look while remaining comfortable to hold. Its screen is expected to support a high refresh rate, which helps create smoother scrolling, better gaming performance, and a more enjoyable viewing experience. One of the most impressive features of this smartphone is its large battery capacity. The iQOO Z11x 5G is designed to keep up with heavy daily usage, whether you are watching videos, playing games, or browsing the internet for hours. The large battery should easily last a full day, making it ideal for people who use their phones constantly throughout the day. Fast charging support will also allow the device to recharge quickly when needed. Performance is another strong area for the phone. The iQOO Z11x 5G is expected to come with a capable processor that can handle multitasking smoothly. From running multiple apps to gaming and streaming content, the phone should deliver reliable speed and efficiency. Combined with sufficient RAM and storage options, users will have plenty of space and power for everyday tasks. In terms of photography, the smartphone is expected to feature a high-resolution rear camera that can capture clear and vibrant images. The camera system may include AI features to improve colors, lighting, and detail in different environments. On the front, the device will likely include a selfie camera designed for video calls and social media photos. Overall, the iQOO Z11x 5G is expected to be a strong mid-range option for users who want good performance, long battery life, and modern smartphone features without paying a premium price. So guys, this is fresh information about new iQOO Z11x 5G. I hope you like it. For more videos, hit the like button, click the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel, My Technological World. Thanks for watching.